Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can import your bookmarks and other data from your preferred web browser, like, I don't know, Google Chrome, for instance, or Opera, into the Waterfox web browser. So let us dive into this. All right, launch the Waterfox web browser. And what you will need to do, guys, is access your browser settings through these three lines on the top right and by clicking into settings here. So inside your browser settings, what you want to do, guys, is navigate to general in the top left, and here you see that feature import browser data. Click into import data to the right, and after that select one of these browsers you are or you have been using on your device, like Chrome, Opera, Brave, Edge, and so on and so forth. So let me go with Edge, but you can also go with Chrome if you like. And below, simply select all the data or all the available data you would like to import, like favorites, browser data, autofill data, and so on and so forth. Clicking to import, and that's it. Wait for a brief moment, and after that you'll see your browsing data, like your bookmarks and folders at the top. And that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.